In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your experience and improve the aesthetics of your documents using Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that offers flexibility and a range of features to make organizing and managing your content a breeze. Let's dive into this quick guide that will transform the way you use Notion. First, start by accessing your Notion page. If you haven't done this before, all you need to do is head over to your Notion dashboard and locate the page you want to edit or enhance. This could be a workspace you're using for school, work, or a personal project. Take a moment to open that particular page. It doesn't matter if it's a blank document or a complex template. We'll make it work for you. Now that you're on the desired page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice three small dots aligned vertically. This icon represents the settings menu. Clicking here unveils a drop-down menu with various options. It's a simple, subtle function, but it holds a lot of editing power. Accessing this menu is a critical step because it gives you control over many customizable features of your page, allowing you to shape your workspace just the way you like it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see numerous options, but our focus today is on enabling the full width option. This is a crucial setting if you wish to make your page layout more spacious. By toggling on the full width, your content stretches across the entire screen, reducing blank spaces and providing a more immersive reading and editing experience. It's particularly beneficial if you're handling content-heavy pages or dealing with multiple databases and lists on a single page. Using full width can optimize space and increase productivity, especially if you're viewing complex information or working with visual elements such as tables or galleries. It's one of those small adjustments that have a tremendous impact on both productivity and aesthetics. With the full width activated, you'll immediately notice the difference it makes in presenting your work more professionally and clearly. To wrap this up, these steps become second nature with practice, giving you extra room and a cleaner canvas to add creativity and organization to your documents. So take advantage of these Notion features and see how they refine your workspace. It's all about creating an environment that fosters focus and productivity. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to explore other features within Notion as it offers numerous ways to adapt and personalize your digital workspace. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy Notioning!